Maraming klase ng pansit sa Filipino cuisine, and today, gagawin natin ang isang Kapampangan version tinatawag na pansit upo. This is one of the easiest pansit gisado you can make at napakasimple pa ng sahog, upo at liampo. Balatan ng upo na tinatawag rin na battle gourd at cut into thin strips. In a wide pan, cook the pork belly until lightly browned at the grinder ng fat. Slice the meat thinly so it cooks quickly. Add shallots and garlic and saute until translucent and aromatic. Ibuhos ang tubig. Maglagay ng annatto powder for color. And Maggi oyster sauce for tamis linamnam. Stir to combine and bring to a boil. Takpan lang and simmer until the pork is cooked. Ilagay ang upo and cook for a few minutes until half done. Isama ang bihon noodles at pabayaan lang mag-soften ng konti bago haluin with tongs to prevent breaking. Hindi ko binabad ang mga noodles beforehand para mag-absorb mabuti ng flavor. If you prefer to pre-soak your noodles, bawasan ng tubig at lutuin pa ng bahagya ang upo. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Continue lang ang pagluto until the noodles are tender and the liquid is absorbed. I hope you try this pansit upo recipe. Mura na at madaling gawin, masarap at masustansya pa. Enjoy!